Is your Gmail inbox a chaotic mess where you can never find anything? Learn to organize emails into folders in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to select an email, then apply a label to move it. Follow these simple steps.
All right, start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, click the checkbox next to the email you want to organize. Now, click on the 3 dots at the top bar to open the menu. Hover your mouse over Label As. Then, click on the label where you want to move that email. Gmail uses labels instead of traditional folders. Finally, click Apply to confirm. And that's it. You've moved an email to a label, which works just like placing it in a folder. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.